Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, too long actually, a matter of fact. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a curly hair wash day routine. I basically did a curly hair routine before. That was like a year ago, but that was just a morning routine, whatever, and it was a lot different. This one is like a separate routine. This is my wash day routine. So basically I do this once every 6 days, and as you can tell I'm doing a voiceover, but yeah, I'm gonna be writing stuff in the screen, so you guys should just read that, some information, some tips I could give you guys, and yeah, so that's that. Alright, as you can see, I'm about to wet my hair. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I wet my hair for like 40 seconds at least. Like you gotta get it like thoroughly wet. Alright, so I applied the first. I shampooed twice actually, so this is the second time. So basically I shampoo, then rinse, and then I do it again. But the second time it lathers a lot, and I basically massage my scalp a lot longer than the first one. So I get it like thoroughly clean. I want my scalp to be nice and clean. Basically that's where it starts. Scalp health leads to better hair, like hair growth. That's where it starts. As you can see, I have a scalp massager. I don't use this all the time, but in this particular wash day I wanted to put the extra effort in, and just to add the fact that this is actually, I haven't washed my hair in like 7 days in this video, or in this wash day. Alright, so I rinse off the shampoo with cool water, and then I move to step 2, which is hair conditioning. As you can see, that is my hair mask, or my deep conditioner. I do that once every 2 weeks, or if necessary I do it once a week if my hair is really dry. So I apply the conditioner thoroughly all over my head, and then after that I detangle with a wide tooth comb. It takes around 3 minutes or so. And as you can tell, my hair isn't that long, but I still do detangle just for the benefits, to prevent a breakage, stuff like that. I'm just being proactive, before my hair gets long, because I'm trying to wolf for a while, trying to grow my hair. As you can see, I'm putting on this quite the feminine shower cap. I got it from Amazon. And I leave it on for 5 minutes, or whatever the conditioner instructs. Just follow that. Alright, so after I take that off, I rinse my hair with cold water. So just emphasizing the cold water. As you can see, that is my towel for my hair. I'm not actually gonna pat dry. I'm just touching up my sides because it's really wet. But yeah, I only towel dry when time is really crucial. So yeah, just doing my skincare routine there. So that is before I apply my prep, so before my leave-in. So that's my leave-in right there. It's a spray bottle. I shake it up, I spray a couple times. I kind of focus on the back side first, and then I spray again, I apply again, and I focus on the front. As you can see, I'm not using a comb to apply the product. I'm just using my hands. I don't really want to use a comb at this point. So that's my prep. And now moving on to styles, which is my the Curl Smoothie by Shea Moisture. So that's like a quarter size, and I emulsify it, you know, by spreading it on my hand. And then just like with the leave-in, I try to focus on the back more. As you can see, I focus on the back more, and then I apply just a little extra, and then I do the same thing, and then I apply more in the front area. Yeah, I'm just shaking my head, getting all over. Just doing my daily grooming there. As you can see, I'm using a blow dry with a diffuser. I actually prefer to air dry, but since I was in a rush, I just had to diffuse for today. And I took around 6 to 8 minutes. And as you can see, I'm just brushing my front baby hairs, or my tapered hairline, whatever you call it. And I'm on to my final step, which is finish. So that is argan oil. I actually have other oils that I could use, but I prefer argan oil. So I do a couple sprays, and I basically just glide it over my head. I don't want to try to touch my scalp, because you don't really want any serum or oil in your scalp when you're finishing. I do a couple sprays just to finish up, do some touches, final touches. And at this point, I just play with my hair, you know, just shape it up. And I'll even use a pick, but I did not use a pick in this video because it was pretty good already, so I was good with the results. And as you can see, these are some of the products that I use occasionally. So this is the final result. This is an hour after I applied the argan oil. I'm just showing you guys around. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this curly hair wash day routine. I will be uploading more. It's just that with the corona situation, I'm kind of held back, but I promise you guys I will be uploading more, and you know, some stuff in the works. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.